Hello everyone, Brandon Boyd, Master Distributor Wake Up Now. I want to show you the power of TaxBot and actually how to use it. So we're back here in our Wake Up Now hub. All you have to do is you just click on products, you click on TaxBot. You can also just even type it into the search bar here and just click on that and it'll bring up the new TaxBot screen. And I want you to see something. Now this is through October 1st of 2013. So the year is not over. Look at the estimated tax deductions. I am living proof of what having a home-based business can do for you. And if you will spend the time to record those deductions, how much you can save in taxes. We've had webinar after webinar showing how important it is to use TaxBot as a part of your business so that your IRS bulletproof. Now I'm going to make this pretty simple for you. This is easiest to use from your phone. Okay, so for example, all you have to do is log in here the very first time, and from your phone, all you have to do is if you have like an Android or an iPhone, you just go to Google Play or Marketplace and you type in TaxBot. Okay, and then what you'll do is you'll put in your username, which is your email that you initially put into Wake Up Now that you signed up with, and then your password. Okay, and you can find that right on onetrain.com. The details of this right here, how to install TaxBot app on your phone. Okay, onetrain.com. Let's go back to TaxBot here. This is the back office of it if you're not going to use it on your phone, but it is easiest to use from your phone because you just have two buttons, add trip and add expense. But if I'm going to do this manually, so it's going to have kind of your dashboard expense by category, your recent expenses, your recent trips, and things like that. I can just click on expenses, and I'm not going to show you all of my stuff on each one of these things, but all you have to do is, for example, if I want to add an expense, and let's say that we go out and we have, um, let's put here, let me just use as an example. Let's say that there's something for travel. Wake Up Now business trip to Los Angeles. Okay. And this particular travel, maybe this was for flight or something like that. So $300, and you put the date, you put, Southwest Airlines, and you put for your business. You might have multiple businesses you can put in here. So you put that, and then you just click save, and it's going to update that. Okay. You can also attach a trip to it as well. You can attach any receipts for proof of that. That's important to show for the IRS. Trips, that would be the same thing for trips. Anything that you want. Let's go down here. Let's go to add trip, and I can put in anything from now this again, this would be manual, but I could put in the miles here, and you can even do it on the map with the actual address that you had, and all you have to do is just right here, description, meet with Darren O'Lyon at Corp on Wake Up Now P and P's. Okay, there's the date, starting address, my house, ending address be Wake Up Now Corp. I can compute the route. It'll give me the exact number of miles or manually put them in. Put it for your business. If it was your vehicle or some other vehicle, you can click round trip. That way it calculates it back to your house so that you don't have to calculate those miles back. Attach an expense if there was one. Maybe you went to Subway and had a sandwich or whatever it was, and then just click save. So quite simple to do that. Another thing is you've got reports, the nice reports breakdown. So it gives you the year for your expenses and your mileage. That's what you want to give to an accountant. Banking, it aggregates your bank accounts as well. Education, so you can put in here, not only has the blog that Sandy Bot can put together, but also has a library. This is critical. This is an A to Z list. So a lot of the questions that you have on taxes in general, Sandy Botkin has actually done videos on those, from everything can I write off my mortgage, a percentage of square feet, or what about my car? What about if the car's wrapped or just has a sticker on it, and those kind of things. So this is really good. It also has it for Canada as well because it's different than the United States. Help, you can also get help online or with your operating system with your computer, your Android. So whatever it is that you're using, you can get help there. You can also change settings if you need to as well, and then just log out. So I want to tell you though that the difference it has made for me and for those who decide to become involved in Wake Up Now, you can literally save thousands and thousands of dollars in taxes by increasing your tax deductions that are not available to you as a W-2 employee. But the key is you actually have to use it. And if you will use it, it's almost like you gave yourself a pay raise. Okay. And the same goes for Wake Up Now Finance. So you can use this on a daily basis. I'm not going to sit here and give tax advice because I'm not a tax advisor or a tax accountant. I'm not a CPA. But this is just to show you how to use it and the value that you can have by being a member of Wake Up Now, having your own home-based business and increasing the deductions that are available to you.